So it's been a minute since I've done like short form content. So I'm a little rusty, but we're still here. Who else love a good brow? I know I do. Like foundation and a good brow is like everything to me. And a good lip gloss and lipstick, lip liner, yeah. But like I'm not really a big like eyeshadow wearer, anything like that, or um blush or anything like that. I really like a nice foundation. I have moved on to like skin tints and whatnot because if those of you who may have followed me like on my YouTube or even like on my Instagram, even here on TikTok, I talk about how, I love a good matte foundation. But those days are over. Do you hear me? Your girl is getting up there. I got a birthday coming up soon. And I'm going to be 49. And I try to steer away from things that are, mattifying. I try, but I love the look. I really do love the look. I love a matte look. But I'm liking a good dupe. That's why we trying the Danessa Myricks today. I also love a good brow. Like, I really take time with my brows. Like, I don't go to get my brows done like at a, salon or something like that. Or, you know how you go get your brows done. I don't. I don't have that many to go. I mean, I don't have that many to get done like that, in my opinion. But I love a good brow. Ooh, I love a good brow. I really do. Take my time. I'm going to share with you what I've been using. What I've always been. This is a new product for me. This is the NYX brow glue. This is really, really, really nice. I have the shade in dark brown. This is really, really nice. But my favorite that I've been using forever is the micro brow pencil, little duo. And not to forget this little concealer stick right here. This is brows. This is like the best affordable brow kit right here. Get you some. Okay, let's get into this. Oh God, this got all the ceilings on it. I mean, we love opening up new products, but how are we trying to show our friends here? Okay, so this is, let me get it right. This is the Glow Serum Hydrating Priming Face Serum. Okay, in the shade that I have that I done tore off like I'm crazy. Main Squeeze. So I didn't get the deepest one. I didn't get the pink one. I got the little middle one. So yeah. We love a good glow action. I be seeing the girls do it like this. Oh God, it smells so good. Am I putting too much? Okay. So let me tell you guys what I'm doing. Today, we're gonna use this little fluffy brush here to see how it goes. Let's see. Oh, this smells so good. It's so nice and light. Now, I have a ton of these little glow type products, but this is very, very light. Very, very light, very, very cool, and it smells amazing. My goodness. And it's giving primer. It's giving primer. I may go back and get the pink one. I don't want to get the darker one because I'm already brown. But I think I'm gonna get the pink one. I don't know. Why we got the sale going on. I got one more weekend to, try this out. So this looks good. We like this. Let's just jump right on. So I got shade 13. This is in the Yummy Skin. This is the Serum Skin Tint. That smells so good. So now, I just played it in the store doing like this. That's how I do my foundation. I like this. Let's see. Okay, look like a good match, right? A good matching? Okay. Let's keep on going. We like the little zigzags. Okay. Yo, I'm looking for like a new, foundation combo situation that I can do, on the go. I gotta go back in the office soon. So, I do want to wear a little makeup every now and then. Not all the time, but this is nice. This is what we want. This is what we want. Because if you are rushing and you may not be able to blend, this is gonna this smells so good. It's giving like refreshing. It's feeling like a dawn moisturizer, to be honest with you. And I'm like being extra with this. Okay. Look at this. We're giving fresh glow. Okay. We like. Okay. Okay. We like. We like. Thank you, Danessa. Thank you. Okay, let's put this on. Let's get it going. We like it. It's nice, it's simple, it's airy. It's not like it's too much, if you will. It's making me feel like a tinted moisturizer, how it's supposed to be done. Because sometimes some tinted moisturizer can give you a little foundation. You know, it feels like a light foundation. This is giving really like a tinted moisturizer. It feels like lotion. It really does. It looks good though. So let's move on to the concealer. I got shade 14. This is golden. So again, eyeballing it. And I'm so far the eyeballing has been good. I know my undertone. So when I see it on my hand, I can kind of sit and say, okay, this is going to work for me. Super cute. We like this. Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah. One thing I can say, this stuff is so lightweight. You know, you get so caught up in wearing like heavy products. And, you know, I'm guilty. And then when you get something, you think like it's something wrong. But when you're getting up there in age and you're maturing and your skin is not having it, this is what you need. This is what you need. And even if you're not, you know, mature and you're young, this is good. This is like easy on the skin. Easy on the skin. This is it, y'all. This is it. Okay. So I'm gonna put a little bit more just to kind of, you know, I like a little action like this. Okay. I done use the same brush right here. The same brush. Let me get my smaller brush here. I'm gonna go in under the eye. I'm gonna look up. I like this. Y'all, let's blend this out, pull everything together, and see how it looks. Here's a final look, y'all. Here is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tinted Moisturizer. I like it. I really do. I really do. It looks very nice and natural. You definitely can tell I do have on something, but it just looks nice and clean. It feels nice and light. Doesn't feel heavyweight. It smells amazing. It goes on light. I love it. Let me know if you have it and what shade you have.